The tiger, beauty, power, and conservation. In the dense jungles of Asia, a creature roams with unmatched grace and power. The tiger, Panthera tigris, embodies both fear and admiration in the hearts of those who encounter it. This magnificent feline, with its distinctive stripes and commanding presence, has captured the imagination of cultures worldwide for centuries. Beyond its physical prowess, the tiger holds a crucial ecological role and is a symbol of conservation challenges in the modern era. This essay delves into the multifaceted world of tigers, exploring their biology, cultural significance, conservation efforts, and the intricate balance between human interests and wildlife preservation. The biology and diversity of tigers. Tigers are the largest of the big cats, belonging to the genus Panthera, which also includes lions, leopards, and jaguars. They are highly adaptable predators, found across various habitats from tropical rainforests to snowy forests and grasslands in Asia. There are currently recognized subspecies of tigers, each adapted to its specific environment. Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris found primarily in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan. The Bengal tiger is the most numerous and well-known subspecies. Siberian tiger, Panthera tigris altaica, also known as the Amur tiger, inhabits the forests of eastern Russia and northeastern China. It is the largest subspecies, adapted to cold climates. Indo-Chinese tiger, Panthera tigris corbeti occupies areas in Southeast Asia, including Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, and Vietnam. Sumatran tiger, Panthera tigris sumatri, found exclusively on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. This subspecies is critically endangered, with fewer than 400 individuals remaining. Malayan tiger, Panthera tigris jacksoni, inhabits the southern tip of Thailand and the Malay Peninsula. South China tiger, Panthera tigris amiensis, once widespread across southern China. This subspecies is possibly extinct in the wild, with a few individuals surviving in captivity. Each subspecies exhibits unique physical characteristics and adaptations shaped by its environment, highlighting the tiger's ability to thrive in diverse landscapes. Cultural significance and symbolism. Across Asia, the tiger has held a central place in mythology, art, and cultural symbolism for millennia. In many cultures, symbol of power and royalty, tigers have been associated with royalty and power, often depicted as symbols of strength and authority in ancient Asian civilizations. Guardian and protector. In Chinese mythology, tigers are revered as protectors against evil spirits and are believed to bring good luck and prosperity. Spiritual symbolism. In Hinduism, the goddess Durga is often depicted riding a tiger, symbolizing courage and divine strength. Modern symbol of conservation. Globally recognized as a flagship species for wildlife conservation, the tiger represents broader efforts to protect biodiversity and natural habitats. The cultural significance of tigers underscores the deep-rooted connection between humans and these majestic creatures throughout history. Conservation challenges and efforts. Despite their cultural significance and ecological importance, tigers face numerous threats to their survival in the wild. Habitat loss, deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion have significantly reduced tiger habitats, fragmenting their populations and limiting their prey base. Illegal wildlife trade. Tigers are poached for their skins, bones, and other body parts, which are highly valued in traditional Asian medicine and fetch high prices on the black market. Human-wildlife conflict. As human populations expand into tiger habitats, conflicts arise over resources, leading to retaliatory killings and further endangering tiger populations. To combat these threats, international organizations, governments, and local communities have implemented various conservation initiatives. Protected areas. Establishing and maintaining protected areas such as national parks and wildlife reserves to conserve tiger habitats and populations. Anti-poaching efforts. Strengthening law enforcement, implementing anti-poaching patrols, and reducing demand for tiger products through education and awareness campaigns. Community engagement. involving local communities in conservation efforts, providing alternative livelihoods, and promoting sustainable development practices to reduce human-wildlife conflict. Global collaboration, international agreements, such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, CITES, facilitate cooperation among countries to regulate and monitor wildlife trade. Despite these efforts, the conservation status of tigers remains precarious, with several subspecies critically endangered and facing the looming threat of extinction. The future of tigers, challenges and hope. The future of tigers depends on concerted global efforts to address the interconnected challenges of habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Key strategies for ensuring the survival of tigers include sustainable development, balancing economic development with conservation priorities to promote sustainable land use practices and minimize habitat destruction. Education and awareness, raising awareness about the importance of tigers and their ecosystems among local communities, policymakers, and the global public. Scientific research, conducting research on tiger behavior, genetics, and ecology to inform conservation strategies and monitor population trends. Political will and governance, strengthening legislation and enforcement measures to combat wildlife crime and protect critical tiger habitats. By addressing these challenges holistically and fostering international collaboration, there is hope for securing a future where tigers can thrive in the wild. Conclusion. In conclusion, tigers are not merely charismatic apex predators, but also symbolic icons of cultural heritage and global conservation efforts. Their plight underscores broader issues of biodiversity loss, habitat destruction, and unsustainable development practices. Preserving tigers requires a multifaceted approach that integrates ecological conservation, community engagement, and global cooperation. As guardians of these majestic creatures, it is our collective responsibility to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the beauty and power of the tiger in the wild. Through education, advocacy, and sustainable practices, we can strive towards a future where tigers roam freely in their natural habitats, embodying the resilience and magnificence of the natural world. Together, we can safeguard the legacy of the tiger for generations to come, ensuring that this awe-inspiring species continues to inspire wonder and admiration around the globe.